Hey, Katrina here from Scrappy Horses. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so happy you're here. I had a question about how to find image sets or uploaded cartridges if you're old school. It has changed. I had a video from 2025, but as things evolve in Cricut Design Space, I find that things disappear and videos are no longer pertinent. So here we are in Cricut Design Space. I'm going to go to a new project. I'm going to click blank canvas, start designing. Come over to images, left click. Come down to advanced search, left click. Image sets, left click. Now you can see all of the ones that come up, but I just want to know the ones I purchased. So over here on the left, it says purchased. I left click, and now the actual cartridges or image sets that I have purchased that I own are here. And that's how easy it is. Then obviously you can just click on one of them. Let's see, let's choose a child's year. And I can come to search within an image. I'm just going to type in boy. And here's a little boy gardening. I can click that, add to canvas. View is down here. And now it is on my screen, as well as several others then I could check out if I wanted to. One thing I might add is if you see images over here and you see something you like, but it's not quite right, you can hit your advanced search, come up to boy, choose one that you like. Let's say I'm looking for a boy in a book. If you scroll on down, you can find other children or boys with books. All right, so let's say I like this one. All right, so I left click. Then it brings up more choices here. So you can get lost in this for a long time and fall down the image rabbit hole, right? Because every time you click on one of these, it's going to bring up more that you can find. When you find the one you like, you're simply going to hit add to canvas again and view, and there it is, and you can work with that image. All right, hope this is helpful. Any comments or questions, leave them below. Any ideas for a new or improved video? Leave those also. I'm more than happy to help. Have a great day. I'll catch up with you in the next video. Bye.